Hey everyone, you just got a big paycheck. You're excited to cash it in and enjoy your hard-earned money. But what if you don't have a local Ally Bank branch nearby? How do you deposit that check without leaving your home? Hook. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to deposit a check at Ally Bank, even if you're miles away from a physical location. It's easier than you might think. Body 1. Understanding Ally Bank's mobile app. The first step is to download the Ally Bank mobile app from your smartphone's app store. This app is your gateway to banking on the go. Once you've downloaded and logged into the app, you'll see a variety of options. We're going to focus on the deposit check feature. 2. Preparing your check. Before you start the deposit process, make sure you have your check ready. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Endorsement. On the back of the check, write "for deposit only" followed by your signature. This is to prevent anyone else from cashing the check. Check image. Take a clear photo of the front and back of the check. Ensure that the check number, date, payee name, and amount are visible. 3. The deposit process. Now, let's go through the step-by-step process of depositing your check using the Ally Bank mobile app. Open the app. Launch the Ally Bank app on your smartphone. Find the deposit feature. Look for the deposit check option. It might be located in the main menu or on the home screen. Select deposit. Tap on the deposit check button. Take photos. The app will prompt you to take photos of the front and back of your check. Make sure the images are well lit and in focus. Review and confirm. Once you've taken the photos, review them to ensure they're clear. If you're satisfied, confirm the deposit. Wait for confirmation. The app will process your deposit. You should receive a confirmation message or notification once the deposit is complete. 4. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind when depositing checks using the Ally Bank mobile app. Check limits. There may be limits on the amount of checks you can deposit at once or the total amount you can deposit in a given period. Check the app or your account terms for specific details. Processing time. Deposits made through the mobile app typically process within a few business days. However, the exact processing time may vary. Security. Ally Bank uses advanced security measures to protect your deposits. Be sure to follow the app's guidelines to ensure the safety of your funds. 5. Benefits of mobile check deposit. There are several advantages to using the Ally Bank mobile app for check deposits. Convenience. You can deposit checks from anywhere, at any time, as long as you have your smartphone and an internet connection. Speed. Deposits are typically processed quickly, allowing you to access your funds sooner. Security. Ally Bank employs robust security measures to protect your deposits. Paperless. Using the mobile app helps reduce paper waste. Conclusion. As you can see, depositing a check at Ally Bank is a simple and convenient process, even if you don't have a nearby branch. With the Ally Bank mobile app, you can easily cash your checks and access your funds quickly. So, the next time you receive a check, don't worry about finding a bank. Just grab your smartphone and use the Ally Bank app to make a hassle-free deposit. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.